Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in negative MACD territory and we're slightly off of oversold conditions with the RSI. If we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're currently at oversold on the RSI. If we extend out once more to the daily chart, we also see the same action remaining in negative MACD, and we continue to see sideways action with the RSI. So if we extend out a bit, we remain below the 100-day moving average, this orange line, which will act as our resistance, which in the past acted as our support, and since we're now below support level, that will act as our resistance, and that is at the price of $1,895. And as for our next support level, that will be the 150-day moving average, this red line, at the price of $1,828. If we do manage to fall further to touch support, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 2.1%, and to reverse higher to touch resistance, that is around 1.5%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD. My position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry will be at $172.37, which is this range right here. And my sell target will be $176.01, and my stop loss will be $170.77. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be at $176.41, and that is this range right here. And for my sell target, that will be $173.99, and my stop loss will be $178.05. So whichever entry prices were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 40% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 1.2%, and for the extreme case to the upside, a 20% chance for it to climb between 1.2% to 2.3%. And to the downside, we have a 40% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 1.2%. And thank you for watching.